Netflix has 325 million paid subscribers, but how do they simplify choice?
The paradox of choice suggests too many options cause decision paralysis. Netflix, with 325 million paid subscribers, combats this. Consider how overwhelming endless content options can be, leading to no choice at all. This is where smart design helps.
Netflix uses algorithms to simplify choices. Their standard with ads plan at $8.99 per month offers HD video on up to 2 devices. Review your preferences. The system learns what you like, pushing relevant content forward. This reduces scrolling time significantly. Spotify curates music choices with playlists and a freemium model. The individual plan is $12.99 a month, including ad-free, lossless audio. Create a free account to experience the difference before committing, as new users can often trial premium for an extended period. This tiered approach is also seen with video.
Hulu reduces decision paralysis with clear subscription tiers and free trials. Their Hulu with ads plan is $11.99 per month, providing full library access. Exploit content risk-free with a trial for new and eligible returning subscribers. This strategy builds confidence without immediate financial pressure. Small businesses can adapt these strategies easily.
Apply these lessons to your small business. Simplify your product offerings to avoid overwhelming customers. Offer tiered services, perhaps a free option like Spotify's, or a trial period mirroring Hulu's offer. Reduce choice to boost conversions and satisfaction.
You've learned how major platforms manage user choice. Next, explore AI tools to apply these principles.